flag is not just a tricolor flag, but it is a mixture of color of love, color of sacrifice, and color of greenery. At last of this program, it would seem to be incomplete without the most important and grandest, the hoisting of flag, which showcases a multi-hued image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military progress. Now let us all stand erect for this proudest moment.
School, attention. School, stand at ease. School, attention.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे।
The Republic of India has several national symbols. The national symbols of India represent the culture and nature of India's national identity. Let me tell you some key points and importance of our national symbols. Firstly, they infuse a sense of pride and patriotism in every Indian's heart. They exemplify the rich cultural fiber that resides at the core of the country, represent a quality unique to India and its citizens, help to preserve the chosen national symbol for generations to come. Now let's see the significance and history of the national symbols of our country. Here I welcome my friends to give some detailed information about few national symbols of India.
And was adopted by Constitutional Assembly on 22nd July 1947. The top saffron color indicates strength and courage of our country. The middle white indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green color indicates the fertility, growth and the spaciousness of the land. Its design of the wheel, which appear on the abacus of Saranatha lion, capital of Ashoka. Its diameter approximates the width of white band with 24 spokes.
Emblem, the state emblem of India. The national emblem of India is adopted from a lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Its motto is Satyame Jayate, truth alone triumphs. It features 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a frieze-carrying sculpture in a high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull, and a lion, separated by intervening wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. National emblem symbolizes power, courage, confidence, and at the bottom is a bull and a horse with a beautiful wheel, Dharma Chakra, at the center.
National currency. The Indian rupee is the official currency of Republic India. The issuance of currency is controlled by Reserve Bank of India. The Indian rupee symbol is derived from the Devanagari consonant R, and the Latin letter 2 was adopted in 2010. It was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. The INR depicts an equality sign that symbolizes the nation's desire to reduce economic disparity.
National Pledge. The National Pledge is an oath of allegiance to the Republic of India. It is commonly recited by Indians in unison at public events, especially in school and during Independence Day and Republic Day celebration. The pledge was originally composed in Telugu language by writer Padimari Venkata Subbarao in 1962. It was first read out in a school in Visakhapatnam in 1963 and was subsequently translated into various regional languages.
There are many other national symbols that have been chosen very carefully. The national animal tiger symbolizes power. The national flower lotus symbolizes purity. The national tree banyan tree symbolizes immortality. The national bird peacock symbolizes elegance. And the national fruit mango symbolizes tropical climate of India.
Similarly, our national song Vande Mataram and national anthem Jana Gana Mana were a source of inspiration during the freedom struggle. The game hockey was at its peak when it was adopted as a national game of India.
There are total 17 national symbols that exist today. The national symbol of India gives the country a sense of individuality and uniqueness from all the other countries of the world. These symbols are not just a matter of pride to us, but they are something that must be cherished and preserved by all the citizens of India. Emblematic. These symbols have a rich history and significance, the culture and tradition that have been passed through us from generation. So, let us try to save and safeguard our nation as well as the integrity of our national symbols.
मेरा कर्मा तू मेरा धर्मा तू तेरा सब कुछ मैं मेरा सब कुछ तू मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन की माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हम बुलबुले इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा स्वतंत्र बानिनली हाराडो रंगिन बाವುಟವೇ ओ ला 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 ಅಶೋಕ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸೂಚಿಸುವೆ ಓ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಭರತ ಮಾತೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀನೆ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಬೌದ್ಧ ಜೈನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಜಯವೆನ್ನಿ